Yeah. 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 Words a weapon, boy, I'm fully loaded. Except the only enemy constantly in my focus. Myself, bitch, am I winning? I can't tell no more. It's a little different when it's you going toe to toe with. A little bit insane, baby, I'm locomotive. Shit tracks, that's the people that I've come close to. Go through days, smile forced to pose. A walking corpse, dead weight, I don't know no more shit. I feel the love in my words, the blood pooled through cuts deeper than trenches in the earth. My shirt stained with tears, shit, I've been feeling the urge. I won't see it, you probably get where I'm taking this verse. Yeah, I feel the clock ticking constant. Weight in my chest, feel I can't do nothing but just watch it. I tried 1,000 times, I feel I ran out of options. In my mind I see a way I can stop it, yeah.
I'm stressed, I can feel my breath. Words hit like a threat. Must be my depression. Chest feeling compressed, hanging by a thread. I'm lost in my head. Must be my depression.
My enemy is myself, it's sabotage. Watching how I flip the cards that I'm dealt. I've been doing shit I hate, detrimental to my health. It'll get better in some time, to say I'm starting to doubt. I can feel the cold setting in, it's hard to set him in, and that's how low I get when I'm in it. Stones thrown, my fault, I've been prone to the visions. Broke heart froze over, such a cold way to live it. Yeah, I'm growing numb to the touch. Won't let anyone close, I want to come to the trust. I've been down that road before, it didn't lead me to much. Just a couple things that I no longer like to discuss. Fuck the world, that bitch been piecing me up. Tonight, hang me out to dry, this bitch been leaving me up. Hold on to the dream, I ain't believing in much. I try and build it from the bottom, shit like Tita and such.